Here's why you haven't received your fingerprint update for the Pixel 6 or the Pixel 6 Pro. Part of it has to do with where you live. Let me explain. Hey, welcome back to Zach Talks Pixel, your source for everything Pixel and Google ecosystem. If that's your jam, hit the subscribe button down below. Last week, reports started coming out of Verizon customers that were getting updates on their Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro for the fingerprint reader. These updates were very specific for the fingerprint reader, which we know is a little inconsistent. Now, this update was an over-the-air update to Verizon customers at the time. It seems like there has also been some T-Mobile customers and kind of scattered here and there. And there wasn't a lot of consistency out there, or people can figure out what the consistency was in terms of who was getting the update and why some people weren't. For example, for myself, I'm in Canada.
Yes, Canada.
And my device is unlocked, although I am on one of the big three carriers. After putting the question out on Twitter to see who has received the update or not, I got this reply from Devo taking me to the Google support page in regards to this update. And basically it summarizes like this. If you're in the US and on certain carriers, and I'll leave them listed for you guys down below there, you can actually see it here on screen. Basically, if you're in the US or Japan, you're gonna get this update on your devices. Everybody else, including myself, we gotta wait till December. So there you go, there's the summary. If you're in the US or Japan, you'll get the over-the-air update through those carriers sometime between now and the end of the month. Any other country, including Canada where I am, we gotta wait till probably the first week of December to get that security update along with this fingerprint update. You can also sideload the update if you want to. I would recommend you do a lot of research before you do that kind of thing, because you can potentially ruin or brick your device when it comes to sideloading data and updates and things like that. But I want to hear from you. Have you received the update? What carrier you're on? What do you think about this? What do you think about US and Japan customers basically getting the update before everybody else? Or do you kind of have that FOMO and you're like, I want my update, I need it to work? Or do you have no issues with the device right now? Let me know down in the comments section and we'll continue the conversation about this awesome fingerprint sensor. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. Have you listened to the new Big Wreck album? So good, so good. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.